out here at Coco Joe, and who do we have here? We have Meow Nike. Yeah, Nike, you're such a good baby. So as you can see, even little domesticated cats likes to come for a grooming session. Yeah. Right there. The first thing you do for grooming a cat is to cut their nails. This will be a lot easier. Yeah, there we go. Good. Good boy, Nike. So as you can see, we love all types of cats. Meow. So relax here at Coco Joe. Have a spa weekend. Aloha.